Today I'm going to show you how to redeem a coupon code in Base44 in just a few quick steps. If you have a promo code, discount code, or gift card code ready to go, this walkthrough will help you apply it correctly inside your account without wasting any time. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open Base44 and look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there, and that's where you want to start. Click the profile icon to open your account menu. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you into your account settings where you can manage different parts of your Base44 account. Once you're in Settings, look for Credit Usage and click on that option. This section is where you can review and manage your credits, and it's also where the coupon redemption area is located. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Redeem a Coupon or Gift Card. Take your time here if needed, because this is the exact area you need for entering your code. When you see it, you'll notice a text box next to the section. Click inside that box and type in your coupon code exactly as it appears. Make sure there are no extra spaces or missing characters, since even a small typo can stop the code from working. After you've entered the code, click Apply. Base44 will process the code and apply it to your account if it's valid. If everything was entered correctly, your coupon or gift card should be redeemed successfully, and that's it. You've now learned how to redeem a coupon code in Base44. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next quick tutorial.